What's up, my beautiful people? It is your favorite auntie, your favorite sister, aka Sister Madame, back in the kitchen. It's another one of those hydrating, nutritious, and delicious juices. We've got carrot, orange, apple, ginger, and lemon juice on the menu, y'all. So I have diced my apples. We're fitting every ingredient into the blender. Now working on the ginger that's also going into the blender. Before you could even blink, y'all, the juice is gonna be going down. So pay close attention. Thank you. And if you're already having fun, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Also, if you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, and don't you forget to turn on the notification. Don't want you missing any videos from this channel. So I have cut up my orange and also my lemon. I'm just gonna juice them and strain the juice right into the blender. Add some water to it and start juicing. You see, this is one of those quick and easy preparations, and yet it is so enjoyable and refreshing. It goes down your throat refreshingly and just as easy as the actual production. Let's not even call it a production. This is just an easy preparation. All right, so I have strained the juice of the lemons and the oranges, and now I am just adding some drinking water so we can start the blending business. Boom, done. Now let's do some straining business to extract the juice and serve it over some ice so you can enjoy the footage of your very small labor. You know, this was so easy and so quick. On this day, actually, we had only 10 minutes for prepping time and juicing time. It was one of those pressed for time kind of days. Yes, the children had a swimming competition and we had very little time to work with. And we were able to do all this in 10 minutes. Also filmed all of this during that time frame. So, hey, win-win again. How refreshing is this juice right here? And let's not forget, please, how nutritious it is. Loaded with carotene, important for skin and eye health, as well as those vitamins that are necessary for boosting your immune system. Drink this a few times a week and you will have a noticeable glow. I speak from experience. Yes, people will notice, embrace, and share in your glow. It is just a feel-good kind of drink. I hope you learned a thing or two and are inspired to try this recipe. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Make it a great day and have fun, especially in that kitchen. Thank you, beautiful person, for watching the video all the way to the end. Kindly leave me a comment and subscribe down below. And don't forget to share the video as well. Also, watch more videos. It is chop time, and here in Anaba's kitchen, chop time is always yes, friends. So pull up a chair. We are all friends and family here.